Now, I want to touch on some of the reasons why the Caribbean owes Cuba more than just words. Several CARICOM nations, and Jamaica is included, owes Cuba a debt that extends way beyond diplomatic courtesy. For decades, Cuba has provided doctors and nurses to underserved Caribbean communities, scholarships to Caribbean students in medicine and engineering. They have provided disaster response assistance, technical expertise in public health, all of these after hurricane and during health crises, but in general, in moments when wealthier nations have either done nothing or have hesitated. Cuban medical brigades have operated across the region when help was urgently needed. And for small states like Jamaica, that kind of solidarity cannot be forgotten.